Welcome to YardCharts.
In this video, we'll walk you through how to get started with the basic functions.
To begin, hit Login to access all the main features.
After logging in, you'll see two options: Daily Alert and 60-minute Alert.
Click on Daily Alert to begin. From here, you'll find today's alerts.
You could choose the market you're interested in, and you can also explore alerts from previous dates. In this page, each column represents a different trading pattern. Underneath, each small box represents an alert and shows liquidity activity and the symbol for a stock or cryptocurrency. Clicking on the box would bring you to the full alert. Here, you can see the chart and its geometrical construction, which matches our pattern theory.
Very practical, recommended buy points, sell points, and stop loss settings are automatically analyzed and provided.
You can find the key details like the asset's name, industry, and liquidity for more investigation. This is the core tool for spotting opportunities and managing risk, all in one place. If you want to dive deeper, head over to the resource section. There, you will find clear explanations of each pattern, our blog articles with insights on market strategy and investing, the tutorial video, and frequently asked questions. This is a quick overview of YardCharts. We hope it helps you stay sharp and stay ahead in the market.